A communication glitch in the avionics experience during a pre-flight test means NASA will need to replace an engine controller aboard the SLS rocket. Boeing is the rocket's primary contractor for the project, which has suffered years of delays and exceeded its original budget by billions of dollars. NASA was previously targeting February 12 of 2022 for the flight for the SLS, but it is now being pushed back to March to April. The flight will be the first in the Artemis program, which hopes to return astronauts to the moon's surface before the decade's end. NASA's official on December 17 stated, after performing a series of inspection and troubleshooting, engineers determined the best course of the action is to replace the engine controller, returning the rocket to the full functionality and redundancy while continuing to investigate and identify the root cause. After spending $11 billion to date, NASA expects to spend an additional $4.1 billion per launch for SLS and the Orion Capsule. For 4 initial flights, this will total around $16.4 billion, according to NASA Inspector General report from November 15. So what do you think? Will Boeing keep on delaying NASA's moon mission, which makes spending more, or sooner or later NASA will jump to SpaceX?